This is the second video showing us on how to create course with our course builder on Ditaccount. Let me believe that you have already signed up and you are getting this. You are already logging into an instructor dashboard like this, and if you have not done that yet, you click on course.richbodip.com or you click on ditaccount.com. then it will take you to this learning website. It will take you to this learning website so that you can create your account. I've tried to show you how to create a course builder, how to build your course on this platform. I'll show you all those things one step after another in the first video. This is the second video. I want to show you how to create a CBT exam. Here you can use the CBT you can use the platform to create a CBT exams for your students, for tutorial center, for a school, and for a lot of things. You can use it to sell jam questions, whatsoever. You can use it to sell it. So now I will not go back to all those introduction I have done in the previous videos. So if you need them, go and watch the first video. We are going straight to the CBT here. So it's redirecting us to the course builder now. So the same way we created video course the other time. So I've shown you all these things. Just enter the title. If it is JAM 2021, enter the title here. Or you call mathematics exam JAM 2022 there. Then you set your sludge about the course. Then you set the general settings here. Course setting, you set everything here. Then the categories, you let the category, like it's JAM. So put the JAM. Is it free or paid? Mark the paid. Then what is the price? Is it for subscription based or whatsoever? Then you don't need video when it comes to CBT. Just leave all those ones blank. So this is where you are going to click on add new. Write. Don't forget that you have written JAM. If you want to write it, if you want to do the CBT completely on all the JAM questions, then the first title will be JAM 2022. Now, if it is for 2022, now you want to write it on English language, paper 1, OBJ. Then you don't need much address here. You can leave it empty, or you write the things that is on the JAM on it. Then you create the topic. So I'm sorry, I made a mistake there. Just write JAM 20. Write JAM 2022 here. If it is 2022, then there is any other address. Now you create quiz. The quiz will now be English 2022. If there are anything to write, just write. If there is nothing, leave it there. So there is no much address about CBT. Now you add your question. Add a question. The first question on the list, the English question is almost up to 100. Then or if it is oral English, I think it's up to either 50 or 60. So the first question, you write it here. What is English? What is English language? What is English language? Now, there are some things here that you need to master. So this is your question based on true or false, or single choice, or multiple choice from A to D, or open-ended questions like a German question. They will ask you question but no option, or fill in the blank. Fill in the blank like the lexical and structure, or like short answers, or matching, maybe image matching, or you are matching two things together, or image matching, or image answering, or ordering. You are asked to order it to the normal. I think this is the most popular, which is you can use the open-ended or short answer for some German questions. If you want to tackle some German question, you use this, or you use this, or this. All these three is much about German question. Those are the questions posted to you that have no options of answer, so you produce the answer yourself. But the OBJ, multiple choice. Now you click on multiple choice, then you now start adding the choices. So this okay, there are settings here. Is the answer required? That is it important? If it is not important, because student can skip any question and go to other question. So but if you put it answer required, they will not be able to skip it. It will be sending them back to that they should answer the question before they proceed. So leave it like that. Then random, if the question you are setting, question number 1 up to 100, if you click on random, that shows that question 100 can come first, question 50 can come first. So this is being used in some CBT centers, that they produce not less than 1,000 questions in the database, and students are to attend up to 100 or 50 or 60. So the question Mr. A is attempting is different to the question Mr. B is attempting. So what they do is they randomized it. But in a situation that it must be in order, don't click on this one. Then what are the points for each questions? In a situation that each question, or maybe the question is 50, then the student need to get 100%. Then that shows that the point here will be 2 points. Each question will be 2 points. But English language sometimes have some different point for different answers, mostly on the OBJ. But in a situation that everything is equal, put 2 points. That shows that when it got 50%, 50 correct question answered, that is 100, it got 100%. Then do you want the points to be displayed as is being answering the question? If you want it to be displayed, click on this place. If you don't want him to see the points, then unshell kit. Do you understand now? If there are any additional description about the question, just put it here so that the student can understand what you asked him to do. You have done that. Then about the answer, you can also add some explanations here. Now the options, option A and B, this is the answer. Click here. If it is an answer that needed image, like mathematics, you upload the image here, or like geography or biology, you upload the image over there. Then the display format for the option, is it text only or only image or text and image both? If it is text and image, click on here. If it is just text only, click on here. If it is image only, click on here, then update. Before you update it, so the option answer now is this, then you update the answer. That is option A. That is option A. Option A, yes, the option A. Then add another option. You do the same thing. The option now, you do the same thing. Then click on. So the work here is not easy. So it requires some commitment. That is the exact way they used to write all those our CBT questions. So it's not easy. So I'm just putting all those things so that we can come up with a reasonable question here. We have gotten 3 options now, remaining 1. Then update answer. So now we have 4 options. We have 4 options under question 1. Can you see now? Now you are expected, if the answer is option C, mark it, so that when the student get it, it will mark it correct. Or if the student get it wrong, get anything other than option C, it will tell the student that it has get it wrong. Then you click on add to answer. You have finished question number 1. You add question number 2. All along. After completing it up to 50 or 60 or 100, then you click save and next. Save and next. So what is here, you put the time. Is it 45? If it is 45 minutes, use 45 minutes, or you use this thing to increase it for 45 minutes, or hour, or days, or week. Then so if you want to hide the quiz time, that you don't want the quiz time to run for the student to see, you check here. But if you want him to see it, then you leave it unchecked. Then quiz feedback mode. Put the quiz system's behaviors on choice based on questions. You can put it on default. The default is that answer should after quiz is finished. That is, after the students have completed the question, then you will see the answer. Then review mode, show result after an attempt. If you have attempted question number 1 and the either get it nearly wrong or right, you will know. Either wrong or right, you will know. Then retrieve mode, attempt quiz any time of any number of time. So quick attempt allow below. So this one now allow your students to attempt the quiz. To attempt the quiz either 10 times or 20 times or more. Then what is your passing grade? The passing grade, should be 40%. It depends on how you want it. Then the maximum question allowed to answer. How many questions do you want him to answer? Is it a question? Is it 10 questions, 20 questions? Then, because some questions, I said it, some CBC center, they have over 1,000, 2,000 questions in their database. And the exam is giving you to the student to attempt to 60 questions. You just write 60 questions there. So it will bring all those questions in random form to the question, so that the question Mr. student Hayes is attending is different to the one Mr. or student B is attempting. If you want it to be the same, no problem about that. Then the advanced setting now. The advanced settings is quiz auto start. That is, if you enable this option, the quiz will start automatically after the page is loaded. That is, immediately the student open his page computer and the page, immediately the quiz will start. I think that one is not okay enough. You should allow the student to decide when to start. That is, whenever I want to start, he hit the button start quiz. Then question layout option and question ordering. Now the question layout is this single question. You want a question to come once at a time, or you want a pagination that the question will be, we have some things that you can click next or back. Then question below each other, so just like a paper, it will question 1 2 3 4 5, so whichever way you want it. Then the ordering, do you want it in random, sorting, ascending or descending order? So you select anyone you like. You want to hide the quiz number 1, number 2. If you want to hide it, if you don't want to hide it, so it is up to you. You select the one that is best for your business. So answer character limit. The answer character limit can be shown here. Some questions are require the students to write. So if the question requires students to write and you don't want it to be more than 50 characters, put the 50 characters here. If it is 2,000 characters, put the 50,000 characters here. I think you understand that, because when they get beyond 2,000, it will tell them that they have gotten beyond their limit. So open-ended essay question, answer character limit. So you can also, in a situation you want them to write an essay like the essay question and attempting essay questions and so that is where you sit. After that, you click save and next. You have completed your CBT. Then if you want to add English CBT year 2023-2024, you will click here again. But if you want to add another topic like mathematics, you click add new topic. I think that one is clear to you now. This place is for you if you have a completed CBT like this, or lesson like this somewhere that you want to import here. You click import and you import it in CSV. It will display exactly. Or you want to export this because you want to go and display it on another website. So every other thing that remain down here, you can also follow it. You follow it just as I described to you in the first video. So after that, let's go and publish our CBT. Click on submission. And you see now, thank you, course has been submitted for review. Already submitted for review. So let's go and check it from the dashboard before we end this section. Now we are already in the dashboard, and before we can see, let's go to my courses. So pending. The first one is the video on the how to create a lesson course and a lesson video lesson or video course, and the second one is how to create a CBT. Can you see now? So unfortunately we didn't give it CBT title the other time. That is why it's writing a new course. This is it. This is the first one and this is the second one. This is a CBT. This is a video course. I think we are good to go on that. Thank you.